Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw a house, a beautiful house. Do you want to draw with me? Okay, get ready. First of all, we will take some lines, straight lines. We will draw a straight line, another line, and now join these lines. What it has become? It has become a triangle. What is it? It is a triangle. Triangle has three sides. This is the roof of the house. Now, with the help of some lines, we will draw the rest of the house. Look how beautifully it is made. These are the walls of the house with the lines. We will take a rectangle and make the door of the house. What is it? It is a rectangle door. Now we will take a triangle and make the window of this house. What is it? It is a triangle. Triangle has three sides. Now we will take a circle and we will draw a circle for another window. Do you know what is a circle? Circle has no sides. Now we will draw a chimney of this house with straight lines. Do you like this house? How beautifully it is made. Now we will draw sun. Sun, the shape of the sun is circle. So first of all, we will draw circle and we will draw the eyes of this sun also with small circles. Now we will take a curved line and we will draw the mouth of sun. Children like this type of sun very much. Smiling sun. Now we will draw the rays of the sun with the help of straight lines. You can also draw with me if you want to practice drawing. You can improve your drawing by seeing my videos. Is it looking like a sun? A smiling sun. A beautiful house and a sun. So we have completed the rays of the sun with straight lines. Now we will draw a tree. This is the crown of the tree. Crown is the upper part of the tree. We will erase the extra portion of this crown so that it looks like a tree. Now we will draw the trunk of the tree with the help of straight lines. So this is a tree. Now we will color this house. We have colored red the roof of the house. We have colored pink the windows of the house, and we have colored blue the walls of the house. Now we will color green, light green to the chimney. We will color dark green on the crown of the tree, and the trunk of the tree will be brown. The sun is yellow,